Hello, greetings mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing worldwide and netwide. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-Sky Watcher and ka-Spacer, Professor June Cahigal, and welcome to another of our online telescope viewing. So right now you are viewing on screen our full moon, pero papunta na po tayo sa waning gibbous. So the moon is about 99% illuminated. Yung full moon kasi kanina po madaling araw, yun yung maximum. Pero mukhang full moon pa rin. And what's so good about today's full moon, or siguro we can call it waning gibbous, is that the moon is at its maximum perigee pa rin. Pero yung maximum kaninang madaling araw, no? Alright, so pag sinabi nating maximum perigee, the moon is closest to the earth. And if the moon is closest to the earth, that means that the moon will appear larger and brighter. Yan, so ang tawag po natin dyan ay supermoon. So this is the first supermoon event of the year. Biruin niyo po yun, and we have clear skies tonight. No, napaka clear ng sky. Nung linggo lang sa kahapon, di ba, yung smog na that enveloped the sky, so it obstructed our view of the moon. Umulan pa, di ba, lakas ng ulan. Pero right now we have clear skies, kaya naku, praise the Lord, no? Talagang pinagbigyan po tayo ngayon. Alright, so today is August 20, 2024. Ayan, so super moon pa rin po, no? The moon is still in its super moon phase. Okay, so there, no, mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers. Alright, and I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Ayan, no? Alright, so in a few minutes we will be magnifying the image of our moon. So, mag-comment down po kayo kung ano ang inyong mga reactions or comments about our lunar imaging tonight. And please like and share this online telescope viewing so that we could reach more people. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante, so that we can inspire them to be engaged in the sciences. And don't forget po to follow us on our Facebook page, the Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas. And pakisabit po na rin yung Belan Society of Young Astronomers. And speaking of Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas, maraming salamat po for helping us reach 5K followers. Yan, napakalaking milestone po yan para sa amin. Alright, so again, that will inspire us more to continue with our advocacy to share the telescope to you, to the public, and our passion for astronomy. So marami pong salamat for helping us reach 5K, and we are now on the road to 10K followers. Yay! And so, dahil po yan sa inyo. So, marami pong salamat. It inspires us more para magpatuloy itong aming advocacy. Yan, alright. So, let's talk about the moon. So, again, tonight, we can still call it a super moon event. The moon is at its closest distance to the Earth. So, the moon appears larger and brighter. So this is the first of the super moon events. So there will be other super moon events, no, for this year. Ito yung una. Alright, and we can see dark and bright areas. So yung mga dark areas are lunar plains. We call them mares or marias. The word mare comes from the Latin word which means seas or dagat. Because early astronomers and early sailors, they thought na yung mga dark areas na yan were bodies of water. Kala nila tubig. No, like the Sea of Tranquility, yun yung mga pangalan, Sea of Tranquility, Ocean of Storms, mga ganyan, no? Especially yung Sea of Tranquility kasi dyan po naglanding yung Apollo 11. And yung mga bright areas are lunar highlands and impact craters. Ayan, so we have clear skies tonight. Napakaganda po ng ating kalawakan and napakalaki ng appearance ng buwan at napakaliwanag pa. So in a few minutes, we will magnify the image of the moon. So shout out muna po sa mga nakatutok po ngayon na mga sky watchers natin, mga ka-spacers, ating mga followers. So marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok and sana nag-i-enjoy po kayo sa ating online telescope viewing. Alright. So shout out po sa ating volunteers from the Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas. And magpapasalamat ako sa aking mga volunteers for helping sa aming free telescope viewing event at Robinsons last Saturday, no, August 17. Yan, maraming nagpuntang mga mall goers doon. So nagpapasalamat ako at very successful po yung free public telescope viewing event at Robinsons. And we will be celebrating the International Observe the Moon Night 2024 at ATC. No? This will be next month, September 14. So September 14 is a Saturday. Yan. So kita-kits po tayo, confirm na yan at ATC, Alabang Town Center. We will be celebrating the International Observe the Moon Night by conducting a free public telescope viewing. And meron din po tayo sa September 13, most probably at Robinsons ulit, Robinsons Las Piñas. Ayan na, so yun yung aming mga ganap next month. So we will be celebrating the International Observe the Moon Night at Alabang Town Center on September 14, that's a Saturday. Okay, yan, ang ganda-ganda ng ating magnified image of the moon. Ayan na po yung kaya ng aking camera. Ayan, so we can see those dark areas. Yun yung mga lunar plains, no? And actually they are solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava. And yung mga bright areas are lunar highlands, mga malabunduking part ng moon yan, and impact craters. Ayan, so please comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging tonight, August 20, 2024. Ayan, so again, this is a full moon, pero papunta na po tayo sa waning gibbous. And this is also a super moon, because the moon is at its closest distance to the earth. So the moon will appear brighter and larger in appearance. Okay? Yan, we can see here the Tycho crater. Yan, gigitna ko po yung Tycho crater. Yan, so that's the Tycho crater named after Tycho Brahe, one of the famous of the naked eye astronomers. Ayun, kitang-kita yung mga parang parallel lines that are radiating at the rim. So yun yung mga ejecta. Ayan, okay. So very fascinating ang Tycho crater. Yan, so comment down po kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging tonight. Ayan, so that's the Tycho crater. Nakikita actually din natin yung Copernicus crater. Ayan po, kaya lang hindi spectacular, hindi kagaya ng Tycho crater. Maganda ang Copernicus crater pag if the moon is about 60 to 70% illuminated. Yan. Pero pag full moon, yan, maganda yung Tycho crater. At we are here live and alive dito po sa gitna ng kalsada sa Las Piñas. Yehey! Yan, so bago tayo matulog, kasi may pasok pa bukas, so yan, namnamin natin yung ating online telescope viewing tonight. Okay, so again, shout out po sa mga sky watchers na nanonood po ngayon, and again, marami pong salamat for the milestone at naka-reach po tayo ng 5K followers. Yay! Alright, 5K na po. So we are now on the road to 10K. Yan, so ang dahilan po niyan ay kayo. So we are really inspired to continue with our advocacy to share the telescope to the public. Ayan, so just imagine that you are orbiting the moon, ayan, on board the Apollo spacecraft. Ayan, so ginagalaw natin yung image. So kunyari nasa loob kayo ng Apollo spacecraft orbiting the moon. Ayan, kasi ang telescope po parang spaceship yan eh. And speaking of telescope, I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Yan, no? Alright, ayan. So, yung Copernicus crater, yung ginigitna ko. And dito naman is the Tycho crater. Alright, fascinating indeed. Are you fascinated also, mga sky watchers and mga ka-spacers? So please comment down below. Yan, and ako po ay nagpapasalamat na for making our free public telescope viewing event at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas last Saturday a success. So sa mga nakisilip po sa aming mga telescopes last Saturday, maraming salamat po. And again, we will be celebrating the International Observe the Moon Night next month, September 14 at Alabang Town Center or ATC. Yan. Then yung 13, na September 13, maybe babalik po kami ng Robinsons. Yan. So antabayanan nyo po yung aming mga announcements sa Facebook page namin sa Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Ayan, no? So sana nagustuhan niyo po yung ating magnified image of the moon tonight. Okay, so siguro ibalik na natin yung buwan. Okay, here we go. Ayan po mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers, there you have it. That's our full moon going to waning gibbous. And we can also consider this as our first super moon event. Alright, the moon is again closest to the earth. So, pag ganyan po, if the moon is close to the earth, the moon will appear brighter and larger. Ayan, no? So, comment down below po kung anong inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging. Again, today is August 20, 2024. Alright, so siguro hanggang dito na lang po tayo and mag-comment pa kayo kung meron kayo nakikitang mga ibon na dumaan. Ayan, no? So thank you so much again po for making the Skywatchers Society Facebook page reach 5K. And again, we are on the road to 10K, pero mahaba pa, mahabang panahon pa. Pero sana paiksiin pa natin yung panahon na yan by following us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Follow nyo po kami at malaking tulong po yan sa amin so that we can continue with our advocacy to share the telescope to the public. Yan, no? Alright, and don't forget also to follow us on our Facebook page, the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. And paki-like and share itong ating online telescope viewing po, no, para makarating sa maraming tao, no, lalong-lalo na sa mga estudyante, so that they would be inspired and to be engaged in the sciences. Alright, so thank you so much. This is your Skywatcher and Spacer and Space Commander. Ayan, Sir June Cahigal, saying live long and prosper, and always remember to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Alright, so long for now. See you on our next online telescope viewing. Bye-bye. Namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating full moon and super moon tonight.